And they're on the way. Granil draws for your lead. Vermont is on the outside. JST running by the Rail Tempest and on the outside moving up is entry number 6 Arsenal. As they have passed the last 1,000 meters, now we have Tempest takes the lead over JST in second. Moving up is Speedy Kim. Granil drops back in fourth. Vermont. And trailing the group is Arsenal past the last 800. Tempest still the leader by about 3/4 of a length lead. Throwing a challenge, JST together with Granil is Speedy Kim racing in fourth. Vermont followed by Arsenal, and trailing the group now is Bagong Silang heading towards the last 450. Now we have the top favorite. Granil regains the lead. Running now in second is JST. Dropping back in third on the outside. Tempest moving up. Vermont is Speedy Kim. Arsenal and Bagong Silang is still in behind them. With the last 150 more to run, we have the top favorite. Granil this time increasing its marker to about 6 lengths and leading the finish line. It's all entry number 5, Granil. Second, close between Arsenal and JST. Then comes Vermont is Speedy Kim. Then comes Tempest and Bagong Silang.